Hey, are you a real estate professional in Wyoming? Then you got to watch this video. If you're a solo agent, agent on a team, team leader, independent broker, you got to watch this. LPT Realty, the fastest growing brokerage in U.S. history, just opened in your state. And I want to make sure you know exactly why so many people are excited about it. So watch this video and I will show you why so many people are pumped, what to do in your market to take advantage of this, and how we can partner up. Let's jump right in. So as promised, here's why so many people in your state are so excited about LPT Realty. First things first, compensation plan. Super easy to understand. There's two to pick from. The first one is Business Builder Plan. That's a $500 commission per transaction capped at $5,000 for the year. No brainer, especially because there's also no sign up fee, no monthly fees. And so if you're interested in building your business, reinvesting the majority of your commissions back into your business to further grow it and speed up your growth, that's the plan for you. And in reality, that's an amazing opportunity for most agents. Right there, I could probably just stop and you say, that's enough, Isaac. I know LPT is the right fit for me. Now, in addition to that, you can also choose another comp plan called the Rev Share Partner, or often referred to as the Brokerage Partner Plan. The commission arrangement for that is 80-20 split, capped at $15,000 for the year. Now, why would somebody choose that over the Business Builder Plan, which is $500 per transaction, capped at $5,000? It's pretty simple. It's for people that want to participate in earning revenue share. Right now, everyone pays into the revenue share system, whether you're in the $5,000 plan or the $15,000 plan. Let's say you really care about earning revenue share. Well, you would upgrade to that plan. And in addition to that, you get double the stock awards. Now, I haven't even mentioned stock awards. I'm going to get to that in just a second. But this is a really important thing, is that there's a reason why some people would choose the $15,000 plan. Now, if you're not extremely interested in building revenue share, or you're not too concerned about getting issued additional pre-IPO stock, well, then you probably wouldn't choose that plan. You would go Business Builder. Number two, the reason why people are making a huge deal about this now that it's opening up in your state is that there's also an abundance of marketing tools that have never been seen anywhere else. In addition to every single listing that you sign, you get a free listing power pack. I have videos on what this is, but it's 168 pieces of printed marketing material, from oversized door hangers to mailers to handwritten note cards, all done for you at the couple clicks of a button for free. All you end up doing is paying for shipping. This is a savings of about $400, not to mention the amount of time and manpower it requires to get pieces like that designed, printed out, and mailed to you so that you can go out and actually effectively market your listing. Also, you use that listing power pack to win listings, because you get a demo box as soon as you join, and you get to go there to every single listing and demonstrate your marketing prowess unlike anybody else in your market. And again, you're getting that free on every single listing. High quality marketing materials, full bleed, because they own their own $20 million print shop right there in Florida, and they're planning on opening up one here on the West Coast as well. So that's another thing, is the best marketing available at the best price available, because they own the entire process. So that's huge. Now, in addition to that, what else matters, Isaac? Well, like I already said, no sign up fee, no monthly fee. There is a $195 transaction fee on every single transaction. That does not have a cap, but in either case, you're not paying that monthly fee. You're not paying a sign on fee. What else do you get for that? Well, you have the opportunity to get Lofty for free for life. You pay a one-time setup fee of $99, and then you get Lofty, one of the best CRMs, formerly known as Chime, right there for you with no monthly fee. You can also upgrade if you're a team. There's all kinds of additional options that you could pay for, but right out the box, again, you're getting an amazing CRM that's extremely powerful with IDX, automations, all the stuff that you need to grow your business right there. Now, in addition to that, as if there wasn't enough, there is the opportunity to build a revenue share line, right? You can actually go out and attract other agents and earn revenue share. And if you don't know the difference between revenue share and profit share, and is that a pyramid scheme or anything like that, I have other videos that can walk you through exactly what that looks like. It's totally above board, and it's probably going to be the most prolific model here very shortly in the near future for real estate agents to choose from. Now, In addition to building revenue share, and it has a great revenue share payout system, you also are issued stock in the company. Now, here's the kicker: it's pre IPO at the shooting of this video, meaning that you are getting in at the very ground floor. It's not even publicly available yet. So, when you're issued stock, you're getting it at the best possible price from most people's perspective. Now, I'm not an investment advisor, so obviously don't take investment advice from me, but here's what I know. I'm excited about pre IPO stock. The company has not even gone public, but here's the thing: every time you sell your first home of the year, your third home of the year, and your 15th home of the year, you are issued stock, and it's actual stock in this company that's about to IPO about the third or fourth quarter of 2025. So super exciting time to join right now and get some transactions under your belt and get some stock issued. You're also issued stock anytime you bring anybody into the brokerage and they name you as their direct sponsor, which is amazing. And like I said earlier, if you're on that $5,000 a year cap plan, you're getting a certain amount of stock. And if you're on the $15,000 plan, you're also enabling your ability to earn revenue share and earning twice the stock on those milestones. Again, the first, third, and 15th transaction of every year, you're issued those stock. Now, there's a bunch of other things like optional monthly membership where you can get things like health care, like Zudilio, like Real Scout, AM cards, right? The list goes on, even free leads every single week. And so this is all part of the LPT Plus benefits. You also have all of the LPT Connect 2.0 features, which is AI learning based. It's amazing. I won't go into all of it because it'll be too long, and you might sit here for hours just researching all of that. So rather than breaking that all down, I'll point you to the description below where I have a breakdown of the marketing tools, how the stock works, how the rev share works, what does it actually look like to use the back end software and order up all my marketing materials. These things are tremendously helpful, and you're going to want to watch those videos. But all this combines to LPT is the fastest growing brokerage in U.S. history. And now that it's coming to your state, I want to give you one very clear call to action, and it's go in the description below. Click that link to book one-on-one time with me so you can learn, one, what is the real draw? Why would it make sense for you? Because everyone's situation is different. Let's see what makes sense for you. In addition to that, what's it look like to launch the state? Because remember, if you're early in on a state, and because there's revenue share, and because this thing is extremely attractive and already has a ton of momentum, you stand to gain a ton of opportunity by being in first, or at least early. So you're going to want to talk with me about that. And then in addition to that, what does it look like to have me and Real Estate CEOs as your sponsorship group? So go ahead and go to that description below, click that link, book some one-on-one time with me. Looking forward to seeing you.